Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Chevy Cruze key fob battery. Gather a CR 2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth before starting. First, remove the mechanical key by pressing the release. Then, carefully pry open the fob seam using gentle, controlled pressure to avoid clips breaking. Keep track of the battery orientation and small parts on your cloth so reassembly is straightforward and safe for your key fob. After opening the fob, use a plastic pick or non-metal tool to lift the old CR 2032 battery out to avoid short circuits. Check that the battery holder and contacts are clean and free of corrosion, then seat the new CR 2032 with the positive side facing up and flat against the contacts. Snap the two halves back together carefully, making sure all clips align, and the mechanical key slides in smoothly before. With the fob reassembled, stand near your Cruze and press each button to verify locking, unlocking, and panic functions work as expected from a normal range. If a button feels mushy or the range is poor, reopen the fob to confirm the battery is seated and contacts are clean. Replace the battery if needed. Persistent issues may require dealer or locksmith diagnostic help to check transmitter power or vehicle synchronization settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.